Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 64 GTO Convertible. This baby's been treated to a black paint job, black interior, rotisserie restoration, 461 stroker under the hood, 5-speed transmission. It has got all the bells and whistles. Look at that beautiful black paint. I'll tell you what, the body man on this car knocked it out of the park. It is straight as an arrow. All the panels fit great. It's got the red line tires with the dog dish hubcaps. The rocker molding looks good. Those doors are lined up perfect. All the stainless looks good. Door handles look good. That line looks great. The reflection looks amazing. And look at the door jamb. Do you see how easy that opened also? Look at that. Nice and slick and clean. Rubber's replaced. Door panel looks good. Chrome looks good on the handles. Look at that door jamb. Look how nice and clean it is up in there. We've got beautiful carpeting. We've got great looking steering wheel. Center console with that 5-speed shifter in there. We got seat belts in the rear. The upholstery's brand new, black vinyl top. Now we do have a boot for the top also. That'll be going on later. Look at the chrome on that center console. Look at the machine twist on the dash there, looking sweet. The black on the dash is looking awesome. Now this car started out as a blue car, but they've upgraded it to black on black, and that is one great upgrade. Got great looking chrome back here. Tail light lenses look good. The detail on the back tail panel here looks great. Now I got 3 keys here, so wish me luck. Wrong side up first time. I'll try one of these other keys. All right, after 47 combinations, it's the round key with the teeth down. Look inside here, looks brand new. Even the back sides of the quarters are nicely painted. The wheel well's nicely painted. And look at that trunk floor, beautiful. They've even put a red line spare in here, the jack. The paintwork on the bottom side of the deck lid looks just as nice as the top side. You always want to check the lips on these deck lids too, make sure they're in good shape. Everybody knows these GTO deck lids are not available. Look down the side of this baby. Look straight as an arrow. Hats off to the body man. He did a beautiful job for a great big long black car. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this beautiful GTO. Right now we've got about 235 cars in stock, and we're bringing in between 40 and 50 new units every month. And I'm in charge of picking every one of those cars out. Now I've been doing this for about 35 years, and I'm going to put those 35 years to work for you, helping you pick out your dream car. All right, we're in our 64 GTO now, and she is a beauty in here, man. Talk about sounding good. It sounds amazing. Now, we will get out and drive it. It's nasty out right now. As soon as it gets nice out, we'll get out and drive this baby if she's still here. Now, we got big stroker power up front, 5-speed, center console, air conditioning. It's got the original steering wheel. There is one little crack here in the steering wheel. The paint on the dash looking sweet. And we can deliver this beauty anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. He will take care of all the paperwork. He'll make sure you get financing if you need financing. Whatever you need, you just call Tom. He will take care of it for you. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're going to put it up in the air so you can see just how beautiful the underside is too. So stick with us. All right, we're underneath this 64 GTO, and it is beautiful under here. The frame's painted, the floorboards are painted, the drop downs are painted, the tank is new, the bushings are new. We got a 10-bolt rear end, right around a 390 gear in here, and it is posi. We got good looking bushings here. We got good looking shocks. It does have drum brakes, and the guys will pull those apart, make sure they're in good working order. It looks like a brand new U-joint. Looks like the mufflers are fairly new. I always check the low area in the frame on these cars. This is one of the first areas to go on the frame. Inside of the frame's nice and clean. Back side of the rocker is nice and clean, nice and smooth. You can see that the floorboards have been painted body color and they are beautiful. You can also see it's got a brand new fuel line and a brand new brake line going front to back. It looks like the parking brake cable's brand new. We got a TKO 600 trans here. That is a 5-speed, guys. It's bolted up to the stock bell housing. It does look like it's got the stock clutch linkage also, so it's a mechanical clutch. We do have big tube headers here. They are jet coated. We do have disc brakes up front. Looks like the bushings in the upper control arms and the lower control arms have been replaced. Everything about the front of this car, the front end, the front suspension, everything's looking sweet under here. It's even got a steering dampener on it. Core support looks good. Chrome on the front bumper looks good. I mean, everything about the car. Front frame horns are nice and straight, and even that chrome is looking sweet. We got good looking red line tires. Now these are bias ply tires. If you're gonna make this a daily driver, I'd suggest moving up to some radial tires. Those radial tires drive a lot better. We got 7014s here. The rocker molding looks good. Bottom side of the front fender's nice and clean. The back side of it's nice and clean. Look at that pinch weld. You can still see where all the spot welds are. That looks great on the bottom side of that rocker. Out back, same good looking tires, wheels, and center caps. Wheel lip molding looks good. Inner wheelhouse is all cleaned out and painted up nice. It is a beautiful car, guys. Top goes down. She's a GTO and she's black. Let's get under the hood and see that big horsepower. All right, under the hood here, we've got a 461. This is a stroker motor, guys. Started out as a 1969 400. It's got a stroker kit in it. You can see it's got a serpentine belt setup on it. All nice and tight, all nice and shiny. All that aluminum's been polished up. Aluminum tall valve covers. It's got Edelbrock heads on it. Jet coated headers, an Edelbrock intake. It's got an 850 Holley. It's a dual feed Holley sitting on top feeding it the fuel. All the wiring looks like it's brand new. It does have the single master cylinder that would have come from the factory. It does have power steering. The power steering pump is aftermarket. We've got an aftermarket polished up aluminum radiator here with some electric fans. The car does have air conditioning. Firewall's nice and clean. Inner wheelhouses are nice and clean. Upper control arms are definitely been rebuilt. Looks like I got fresh shims in there from a fresh alignment. Everything about the car, even the bottom side of the hood's nicely painted, and they went as far as putting a new fiberglass pad on the bottom side of the hood. Guys, this one sweet ride. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.